How are you doing, people? Are you guys okay? Yeah? I hope so. I hope so. I hope you have already finished your day activities. I hope you have finished all your tests, and I hope everything is going very well with you. Okay? So, people, for us to start our today's class, our today's video, okay, I am going to give you some questions that you are going to do in your house. Okay, you're going to answer them in your house. All right, so page 41. Okay, I want you to answer 4 questions that you have in there. I'm going to show you because then it's easier. Look, page 41. All right, people, I just want you to do this exercise in here. This is not important. Okay, this is not important. Just this part over here. You're just going to answer these questions, okay? Vocês só vão responder essas perguntas lá. Vocês têm: do you play sports at school or are you a member of a club? Oh, I play sports at school, for example. What kinds of things are you interested in doing in your free time? Oh, I'm interested in playing the drums. I'm interested in playing soccer. I'm interested in helping my mom. Some activities that you want to say, okay? And when did you start going to your current school? When did you start going to Don Bosco school? Oh, teacher, I started going to Don Bosco last year or this year, 2 years ago. Up to you, okay? Your true answers. As respostas verdadeiras de vocês. And what school are you going to go to after this one? What school are you going to go to after this one? Para que outra escola você vai depois dessa? I am going to study at Don Bosco. Okay, I am going to continue studying at Don Bosco. Okay, so these 4 questions that you have in here, you just answer in here. Put there A, B, C, D, and here you put A, B, C, and D. Okay, so this is the exercise for you to do in your house. Okay, so my dear students, now we are going to start our new unit. Okay, we are going to start the unit number 4. Okay, we are going to start the unit number 4 right now, but teacher is going to start in a different form with you. Okay, vou começar de forma invertida. So this is the first part of the unit number 4. Okay, but I go direct to the grammar. Okay, to the structure of the lesson. Teacher vai lá direto para a estrutura, que é mais fácil. Vocês pegam o contexto primeiro, todo o conteúdo, para depois vir com a parte de escrita e de listening, de leituras. Okay, so people, this is the part that we have in there as the structure of the lesson. Okay, actually it's a review for you because it's similar of the things that we did in the test. Okay, so it's a little bit similar of what we did in the lesson in the unit number 3. All right, what is that? Remember, comparative sentence. Okay, every time that we have 2 people, cities, foods, cars, objects, school subjects. So every time we have the 2 things, we have to compare. So remember, caro in English, expensive. Okay, so expensive means caro. Remember, a house is more expensive than a car. A house is more expensive than a car. I have 2 objects. Okay, remember, guys, that if we say that 2 things are similar, like price or any other adjective, we do not use more than. We use as. Remember, I have a pen here, 2 reais, and my pencil, 2 reais. So the pencil or the pen is as expensive as the pencil. So more than, mais do que. As, tão quanto. Okay, and also remember that we have the most. What is the most, teacher? I don't remember it very well. People, remember that when we use the most, we don't have comparative sentences, all right? For example, Rio de Janeiro is Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo, two cities. Rio de Janeiro, remember this example we did before. Rio de Janeiro is more beautiful than São Paulo, two cities. In my opinion, Rio de Janeiro is the most beautiful city in Brazil. Okay, so this is the difference, people. More than é mais do que. The most is o mais ou a mais. Não existe comparação daí. Okay, so please, now I need you to open your books to page 47 because we will do this together. Page 47, we are going to do this exercise together. Okay, so let's go for it, people. Exercise. Page 47, we are going to do the exercise number 11, okay? This exercise, people, will be used with comparative, more than, will be used with comparative but equality, as, okay? And we will also use superlative that we have just seen here, the most, okay? So, more than, as, and the most. What is the difference? More than, mais do que. As, tão, quanto. The most, o mais. Okay? So look at there, the number 1. Exercise 11. Complete the sentences. Use the adjective in parentheses and more than or the most. Okay? So in here we will not use as, just more than and the most. People, remember, when we have two, one here, more than always, because it's a comparative between both of them. But if I just have one, I use the most. Okay, so two, more than, because it's mais do que. One, the most, o mais. Okay, there we go. So people, number 1, look at there. Summers and looks. In parentheses, we have interesting. Okay, so summers and looks. The boys are black. So we have two things in there. We have summers and we also have the boys are black. So if I have one in here and we have one in here, I need to use more than, okay? I don't remember now if they are books or movies, but we have two. So we need to use more than. So number 1, summers and looks more interesting than the boys are black. Okay, so number 1, you will complete using more interesting, than. Okay, so summers and looks more interesting than the boys are black. Number 2, the winning game is book in the store. See, people, winning game is the name of one book, okay? É o nome de livro. And check it out there, dá uma olhadinha que depois lá do interesting, não tem outro livro, só está falando de livro, só está falando do The Winning Game. So, when we just have one, we have to use the most. So, number 2, the winning game is the most interesting. The most interesting. Number 2, the winning game is the most interesting. And remember, when we use the most, we don't use them. Okay? So, winning game is the most interesting book in the store. Number 3, up the stairs is of all the movies here. Up the stairs is, in parentheses, exciting, of all the movies in here. So we don't have two, we just have one. So up the stairs is, when we just have one, the most. So up the stairs is the most exciting. The most exciting. Okay, so this is the number 3. Up the stairs is the most exciting of all the movies here. Look at there, the number 4. Brain power is mountain rescue. Brain power is mountain rescue. So this is just 1, 2. Okay, so both of them just have 1. So we have in there the most exciting and the number 4. What we have? Brain power is mountain rescue. Sorry. So we have 2. When we have 2, we use more than. So brain power is more exciting than mountain rescue. More. The adjective is the same, more exciting, but when I use more, I have to use than. More exciting than mountain rescue. Number 5. Greatscape is. Greatscape is. In parentheses we have popular. Find the whistle. Okay, so what we have in there, people? We have 2 things. Okay, so greatscape, and we also have find the whistle. Okay, 2 things, so more popular than, because all the time that we have 2, when we have comparative sentences, we have to use more than. So more popular than. Okay, so number 2 is more popular than. More popular than. Okay, and the last one, the number 6, Mindbender is video game of all. It's talking just about one of all. É o que mais popular de todos. So it's going to be the most popular. Okay, so number 6, Mindbender is the most popular video game of all. Okay? Alright? Please, you have time to copy here if you want. Alright? So people, this is the exercise in page 47, alright? Exercise number 11, that we use comparative and we also use superlative. When we have 2, we compare using more than, okay? To people, to cities, to school subjects and stuff, okay? And when we just have 1, que a gente quer falar que é o mais, o melhor, okay? De todos, then we use the most beautiful, mais bonita, the most important, mais importante, e por aí vai, okay? The other exercise 12 and 13, we are going to do in the other class, okay? Na outra aula a gente vai dar continuidade, fazer o 12 e o 13, só para vocês aprenderem bem certinho, passo a passo, okay? People, enjoy your week. I hope you have a very good week, and I'll see you in the next video. Vejo vocês de novo na aula que vem. Bye bye people, see you guys, okay? Copy it all in your book. Bye bye.